When we discussed the topic of creating text fields, we've mentioned that you can change the font size and the font color for the text field, or I should say, for the text that gets filled into your text field. So it is only natural for someone to ask, can I do this for the font as well? Well, the answer is yes, but it's not as straightforward as font size or font color. And the reason behind it is that for PDF spec, unless you're changing the font to one of the standard fonts, which are Times New Roman, Courier, and Helvetica, you will need to embed whatever font you're bringing into the PDF before start using it. And PyPDFForm provides a very simple user interface to let you do that. It is called registering a font. So let's see how that works. First, let me show you my setup. I have already have this font called Liberation Serif Bold Italic.ttf ready. Notice this is a TTF file, which stands for True Type Font. As of the current state, PyPDFForm only allows you to register true type fonts. So TTF files only. And the way you do it is rather simple. When you have a PDF wrapper object, all you have to do is do pdf.registerFont. It takes two arguments. The first one is a font name of your choice. So when you register a font using PyPDFForm, you need to give it a name. This name can be any name of your choice, but this will be the same name that you will be referencing when you need to use that font that you have registered. So in this case, I can just give it a name, say my font. And then the second argument is that TTF file we've mentioned before. As we have discussed previously, it can be a file path, a file object, and a byte stream. In this case, I'm just going to do file path, so liberation serif bold italic.ttf. And that's it. So that's how you register the font into your PDF. From this point onward, you can start using my font to reference this font. So when we created our text field here, as you can see, all of them right now has the default font, which I believe is Helvetica. So let's go ahead and change this first text field to use this new font we have registered. So the way you do it is just do font equals my font. And that's it. Let's go ahead and run this. Python from scratch.py, and if we hit refresh, you will see that this text field now uses this bold italic font that we have registered. You can do the same for the two other text fields we have created. So if we were to come here and font equals my font, same thing goes here. And then if we run it, you will see that now all three of them are using the same bold italic font. So that's how you can register your own fonts and start using it inside PyPDFForm.